Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk AMD motherboard. This is a beautiful motherboard and one of those motherboards I would refer to somebody who's building a PC for the very first time. This motherboard has an AM4 socket and supports CPUs ranging from the 3600X up to the 5950X CPUs. This is a motherboard that was made with beefy heat sinks that keep the heat out of the motherboard to give you that smooth performance without any form of throttle for the CPU. I've had no issue with this board and I've loved using the BIOS. I've loved using the utilities that come from MSI for the board. If you're interested in seeing a setup and review of the board, drop a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, for this helps us make more of this nice content.